In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Substack publication name, whether you've rebranded, refined your niche, or just thought of a better title. Updating your publication name is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your Substack account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you should land on your Substack dashboard where you can see your publications and recent posts. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Substack has a vertical menu there that includes options like your dashboard, stats, and posts. In that left sidebar, find the option labeled Settings. It's usually toward the bottom of the list, and it might have a small gear icon next to it. Click on Settings to open the main settings page for your publication. After the settings page loads, you'll see several sections that control different aspects of your publication, such as your design, branding, and general information. What you're looking for is the area where your publication name is displayed, and this is often near the top of the page under something like Publication Details or General Settings. Take a moment to locate the field that shows your current publication name. Once you've found your publication name, click directly into that text field. Your existing name should now be highlighted or ready to edit. Delete or backspace the current name, then type in your new publication name exactly the way you want it to appear. Pay attention to spelling, capitalization, and any punctuation. This name is what your readers will see on your homepage and in emails, so it's worth taking a second to make sure it looks right. As you type, think about how the name reflects your content and audience. If you're unsure, you can always come back and change it again later using the same steps, so don't feel pressured to make it perfect the first time. When you're happy with the new name, double check it once more for any typos. Now that you've updated the name field, you need to save your changes. Look for a Save button on the page. It's often located at the bottom or top right of the settings section you're editing. Click Save to apply your new publication name. Substack should briefly confirm that your settings have been updated. To make sure everything worked, you can navigate back to your publication's main page or refresh your dashboard. You should now see your new publication name displayed wherever the old name used to appear. If something doesn't look right, simply return to the settings page, adjust the name, and click Save again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Substack publication name by going to substack.com, opening your settings on the left, editing the publication name field, and saving your changes.